What's going on, guys? Art here off the Dome Media Group. Just checking in with you. Have a couple appointments that I need to head out to. First one is at 1 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock, so I'm kind of running late. My video client is after my 1 o'clock client. And basically what's going on with that is that he wants me to build out his website for him, as well as build out his YouTube channel. So what we're going to do, we're going to do a little interview and so forth and talk to him, just kind of some preliminary stuff. We're trying to roughen it out and hashing it out. Try to get some behind the scenes stuff of the interview with the GoPro and see how that kind of plays out, and then check back in with you later. All right, thanks a lot. Okay, slight change of plans. Now I got to stop off with the friends and pick up some couple of items that we're going to try to get sold on eBay. So running a little behind, but here we go. What's going on, guys? So I just got a call. My 2 o'clock video client, that he had to rush his mom to the ER. So that kind of shortens my day. Stuff happens. It's all part of it. So anyway, I'll make this stop to pick up these eBay items and then head to this 1 o'clock appointment that I am late for, and check back in. All right, that was quick. Now to my 1 o'clock appointment that I am already 11 minutes late for. All right, so I don't know if you can see me. It's kind of dark. It looks like it's starting to snow out here, and I wasn't expecting snow. But anyway, 2 o'clock went okay. The meeting went okay. Again, the 1 o'clock got canceled. So now I'm gonna head back in, get some editing done, and get something to snack on because I'm kind of hungry. All right, talk to you. What's up, guys? Art here off the Dome Media Group. Finally made it back. It's been a long day. Looking forward to chilling out, getting something to eat, and then doing a little bit of work. The lesson for me today that I want to share with you guys is the ability for us to be flexible. We need to stay flexible during the course of our day. My day didn't go anything as planned from yesterday. Completely changed from my 1 o'clock appointment to my 2 o'clock, which got canceled because, my friend had to rush his mom to the hospital. So we need to be fluid like water. We need to be flexible and be able to adapt and keep it moving and do what we need to do. So anyway, let me go ahead and get some work done. Hope your day went well. My question for you today is, are you flexible? Do you have the ability to kind of go with the flow, or does something change and does it kind of shut you down? So anyway, hope all is well with you. Enjoy the rest of your day, your evening, whatever time you're watching this. All right. Peace.